Hello everyone, Roberto here again. I have a close-up of a curlew who is just standing there with his long legs. And he makes his hissing noise to say, "Get away from me, I'm scary. But look at your long legs and your big eyes, curlew. You are an amazing looking bird." And with the scrub turkeys in the distance looking for some food, and we have his friend here who's thinking I'm oblivious to him, how he stands real still saying, "You can't see me, I'm camouflaged." You're an amazing bird, curlew, and you sit there so quiet. See you little fellas, you take care until next time. Roberto, goodbye.